What's up, everyone? This is Bill. Today I got a short video for you guys. If you follow my YouTube channel, and there'll be a link in the description to the video, I did a installation video of the cup holder from Providence Spyder and Motorcycle Accessories. Okay, this cup holder is $48 on their website. It comes with the stainless steel bracket here, the mounts, and then the cup holder mount. And so I just wanted to do a review of it and talk about it. See, you put a water bottle in there. We now have almost 300 miles on the bike, and every time I've rode the bike since this was installed, I've either had a water bottle in here like so, or a thermos in here like so. And this is an insulated thermos. You can go get it at Walmart. When you order this, when you order the cup holder, it will come with a sheet of paper that shows you what thermoses they recommend that work. You can go get this at Walmart for a few bucks. Okay, again, this cup holder is on sale on their website for $48. There'll be a link in the description to that, and as well as a link to my installation video. Okay, so what we wanted to talk about is, with the cup holder, this will slide up and down on the bracket. I've found that it works best in the upward position. So slide it up as far as you can and tighten these two bolts that hold it down. The reason being is, when you're riding, if you have your pegs as far forward, you don't want to be bumping into that. And it works quite a bit better if it's up. See where my foot sits when I'm sitting on the bike. Okay, so if it's in the upward position and not, you want it as up high as you can get it, and you have plenty of clearance here, and it sits away from your plastic panels, so sliding it in and out is nice and easy. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to talk about. The second thing is the build quality. This thing is phenomenal. It doesn't flex. Water bottle, the thermos, when it's in there, is not flapping around in the wind at highway speeds and then some. If you guys have rode with me, then you know we may possibly do more than highway speed. I have not gotten it to move at all. It doesn't flex. It doesn't feel like it's going to come out of there with the thermos in there. Okay, and then also, speaking of the build quality, what you're getting with this, okay, some people, I've read comments, the price is too high, this and that. Well, this is stainless steel, and it's powder coated black. Okay, and then this is this composite material that they use this is not just your $8 Walmart special, piece that you're going to mount on your bicycle, right? This is a higher quality material. Yes, I get it. Maybe the cup holder itself is not that expensive, but this thing they have done a lot of work. It's coming from a small company, and when you look at your, and like I said, the stainless steel with the powder coating, okay, all that stuff is not cheap to do, and this is not something that's just cut in someone's garage, And then the competition, you look at something like a ram mount that uses the ball attachment and then a cup holder that swivels up here on the handlebars. Not only is it big and bulky and just looks awkward, it's $56 to $65, when you look up that mount. So they're beating the competition by having this on sale for $48, even at its regular price of $56. So I'm a firm believer in you get what you pay for. You want quality stuff, and you want someone that cares about what they're making. You're going to pay the extra dollar for it. So if you think it's expensive, maybe it's not for you. Maybe it's not, and it's not something that's going to be for everyone. But if you want quality material and a quality product, that's what these guys make. And they are, like I said, they're a small shop. They're not mass producing these in thousands. They're a limited quantity. So you might go to order one and see that they are out of stock. It's because they're not printed out in mass quantity. So you get what you pay for. It is high quality. Okay, another thing that I want to go over is, people have said, why not put it on the left side? Well, let me grab the camera and show you exactly why it's not on the left side. Okay, let's go around here. Okay, the left side. The right side, that pocket right there, sits down in there, right? Now you look at both sides. You have this big case right here. Your cup holder would end up being way out here. You have your e-brake right here. You have your foot going up here to move it from forward to reverse. That is why it is not on the left side. I get it, your throttle hand is on this side, so if you really wanted to drink while you're doing 70 down the freeway, you're not going to be able to, you're going to have to take your hand off the throttle to grab that. But as a safety precaution, I would prefer it on that side. There's no way I'm going to be tempted to let off the throttle to reach down and grab that to take a drink. And not only that, not once in the almost 300 miles that we've put on the bike have I thought to myself while I'm going down the freeway, it would be a good idea to grab a drink, right? You are on a motorcycle. Whether you want to call it a trike or not, the definition for it is a motorcycle. 2 wheels up front, 1 wheel still in the back. Okay, so you're not gonna, you shouldn't be drinking while you're driving, regardless of what liquid it is. Okay, so there is a safety feature there, you know, a safety precaution to having it on the right side. But also, that's a convenient place to have it. The idea wasn't so you had something to drink while you're driving. The idea was to be able to store a container of liquid without it jumbling up the handlebars. That was the whole idea behind that mounting point. Okay, and so far, we haven't seen anything better than that on the Ryker. The only thing available is an aftermarket universal item to go up on the handlebars. Nothing specific for the Ryker other than this. So like I said, that $48 price point is right on cue to compete with the competition. It blows the competition out of the water as far as price goes. And quality product, quality material. So like I said, you get what you pay for. Anyways, I highly recommend this thing. It is phenomenal to be able to have liquid with you. You know, you fill that up with ice and some water, and now you got ice water wherever you go. You stop at a gas station to get gas, grab yourself a drink. Okay? You're not going in the store thinking, damn, I'm really thirsty, I'm going to spend a couple bucks on a bottle of water. You have it with you. Okay, so for long trips, this thing is amazing, and it saves room on the bike. I have the right-hand saddlebag for this, and we used to throw a couple bottles of water in the saddlebag. We're literally not doing that anymore. Like today we went on a ride, we didn't take the saddlebag. We carried a thermos with ice water. Okay, so there you go. That is my review. Go check these guys out. There'll be a link in the description to their website and to my installation video. Okay, it's Providence Spyder and Motorcycle Accessories. I highly recommend these guys. Killer customer service. Very friendly people over there. If you have questions, they got answers. If you need help installing their product, they'll walk you through it over the phone. Okay, so go check them out and get on their website and place their order before these things are sold out. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the content, please hit the like button. YouTube has this weird thing going right now where you don't hit the like button, it doesn't help out the YouTuber. So it'd be greatly appreciated. You guys have a good day. Peace.